Alright, so all of my braids are out. This is what it is looking like. So there is definitely a lot of product buildup in my hair. So you see, especially in the back, I'm sure there's some down here in the roots. My hair is just ready to be washed. So I sprayed some water all over my hair. I also have, I think this is either vitamin E oil or tea tree oil in here. I always like to put an oil inside my water bottle because it just helps the detangling process and my hair feels really soft. I like to detangle my hair before I get in the shower because I'm not trying to have my bathtub be stopped up. After I detangled my hair, this is all the hair that came out. This is not a lot to me. I just felt like it was gonna be more. So I'm getting ready to get in the shower and wash my hair. I'm gonna show you two things that I'm gonna use. This is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Sulfate-Free Cleansing Cream Shampoo. I liked it the first time it got my hair really clean. I definitely want a shampoo that's gonna clarify my hair since I've had those braids in for 1 month. So I'm gonna give this a shot and it smells so good. So this is the shampoo that I'm using. And then the conditioner that I'm gonna use, Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Treatment Mask. Well, I don't think I've ever tried this before, but I see and hear a lot of good reviews about it. I want something that's moisturizing, so I'm gonna give this a shot. I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections so I can make sure that I'm really getting in there. I like to start by just letting the water run through this section, and I'll use my hands to help guide the water through since my hair is pretty thick to remove some of the product buildup. Then I'm going to take my Cantu Shea Butter Sulfate-Free Cleansing Shampoo. I normally go for about a quarter size amount, and I like to focus on applying the shampoo to my roots since that's where most of the product buildup, dirt, and oils are at. I also open the hair into smaller subsections to make sure that I'm really cleansing the hair. And once my hair is all clean, then I'm going to rinse my hair, and I'm still opening my hair up into smaller subsections to make sure that I'm rinsing out all of the shampoo. And since my hair was in a protective hairstyle for 1 month, I felt like my hair could use 1 more round of cleaning, so I did shampoo each section twice. But for this video, I only showed you once to keep it pretty short and move on to the next section. My hair is clean and it's parted back up into 4 sections. So now I'm going to apply my Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil Deep Conditioner to each section. And because I was working with a smaller pack of conditioner, I decided to part each section in half to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Then I'm going to use my Denman brush to help distribute the product and twist up that section and move on to the next section. Okay, so I know I look a little bit different. The conditioner is all over my hair. Instructions say to leave it for 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly. For extra conditioning, cover hair with plastic cap. I'm getting ready to go get something to eat. So I'm probably gonna leave this on longer than 30 minutes. So let me go get a plastic bag real I thought I had some plastic caps, but I guess I don't. So I'm gonna put a plastic Ralph's bag on my head, and then I'm gonna put this bonnet on, and we're gonna go get something to eat. I'm gonna put my hair up in a little ponytail. Just like that, and pin it back a little bit. This bag is going to make a lot of noise. And then tie the rest into a little bundle. Okay, so that's good enough for me. I'll pop this right on it. I'm starting with a small section in the back, and I'm gonna spray my hair with some water. I'm gonna be using the Emerge My Main BFF leave-in conditioner to moisturize and hydrate my hair. And then I'm gonna follow through by using the Butterworks cream, also from the Emerge line, to style. I'm working a small amount of both products into my hair, and both products are very moisturizing, lightweight. They also did very well with giving me frizz-free curl definition. So after I apply both products to my hair, I'm going to use my Denman brush to help work the product in and make sure every strand is coated. So I'm using my Denman brush and I'm moving it down each section, and as you can see, the curls just go in formation. This was a new technique that I learned. I like the curl definition it was giving me, not having to finger coil. So I'm repeating these same steps all throughout my hair, and because I have a looser curl pattern in the front of my head, I did do a few finger coils just to help me with the definition. But if you're interested in a more detailed video on how to style your hair doing finger coils, click the card above. Alright, so here's what my hair is looking like. Done styling my hair. I'm going to let it fully air dry, and I'm going to check it when it's 100% air dry. Alright, so it's been a few hours later and my hair is 100% air dried. So now I'm going to lock in this moisture by using my Jamaican black castor oil and applying it first to my scalp and then to the rest of my hair. So now I'm going to style my hair into a puff, and I'm just using a little bit of Ecco styler gel to lay down the perimeter of my hair. And I'm using a black headband versus a scrunchie or a hair tie. I picked this up from Target. It's going to help give me a fuller puff. So I take the headband and I place it around my head, and then I'm gonna cross the back and bring my headband back through. And then I'm gonna push the headband up until I get to my desired placement of where I want my puff to be. So now I'm going to just fluff out my puff, make it fuller, and do my edges, and also separate a few of the curls for some fullness. And voila! Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my curly hair wash day routine. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a like. Feel free to comment, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.